On today's menu, a delicious and easy recipe anyone will roll with. Flatbread pizza. Lei ho ma, I'm Yeung. Welcome to my channel where I help you cook with confidence. I hope you're keeping well during this uncertain time, but I'm so pleased to see you tagging me on Instagram with the amazing recipes that you've been making out of my vegan ramen cookbook. If you'd like to find more information about this book, you can click the link above or a link in the description box below. Now, there have been some concerns on postal services here in North America and abroad for shipping my cookbook to you. It does ship internationally, but it will depend on the postal service in your destination. Here in North America, in Canada, and in the United States, the postal services are still operational, but it just might need to be a little bit more patient because it may take a little longer than normal. Now, there is an ebook version of my cookbook you can also find on my website, and you'll be able to download it as a MOBI file or an EPUB file if you have an ebook reader, or if you don't, there is an option for a PDF. Let me know in the comments below if you're in quarantine or self-isolation and what you've been doing to pass the time. Just because you're at home doesn't mean you can't eat with style. 1 cup all-purpose flour. Generous pinch pink salt. 1 tablespoon dried oregano. Mix and add 1/3 cup warm water. Drizzle of olive oil. Mix. Knead for a few minutes with your hands and form into a ball. Cover your dough with a towel and let it rest for 15 minutes. While that's resting, you can prep your veg. But remember, this is cooking in quarantine, so you can really use whatever you like. Chop the asparagus into bite-sized pieces. Slice your favorite plant-based sausage into bite-sized pieces. Sauté pan, medium-high heat, olive oil, asparagus and sausage, sauté for 5 to 8 minutes. So what we want right now is just to get some really nice color on them because we're going to finish this off in the oven. Set aside. Roll the dough into a thick log and divide into 4 equal portions. Preheat your oven to 425. Roll out the dough thinly and into whatever shape you like. I'm personally rolling mine into a rustic, rectangular looking flatbread. Generously dust your baking tray with flour. Flatbread. Roll. 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, about 1/4 cup of your favorite plant-based cheese, fresh basil, fresh cracked pepper. I'm a simple guy. Tomato basil is all I need. Homemade basil pesto. Spread the basil on the flatbread thinly. Top with the sauteed sausage and asparagus. Bake in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Plate. That's just amazing. You can now make this delicious flatbread pizza with absolute confidence. Now I actually like my pizza as thin as possible. That's really delicious. Now it's important not to put too much sauce because then it'll just get too wet. And the sides won't get crispy like they are here. That's really, really delicious. Get that really nice smokiness from that chorizo. And that nice crispy outer layer and just really flavorful basil pesto. Incredibly delicious and so easy to make. Cooking at home isn't so bad after all. Just incredible. Remember to wash your hands often and touch your face less. And remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next episode.